Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing Forex intermarket analysis. All right, so Forex does not move in isolation. Different financial markets are connected, and understanding these relationships is what intermarket analysis is all about. So in simple terms, intermarket analysis means looking at other markets, like commodities, stocks, bonds, and all of that, right? To understand better, to better understand what might happen in the Forex market. Okay? So this is what we talk about when we are discussing intermarket analysis. For example, talking about the gold and the US dollar, it often have an inverse relationship. When the dollar gets stronger, right, gold tends to fall. Okay? All right? And when the dollar weakens, gold often rises. Okay? So if you see gold going up strongly, it might be a sign that the dollar is weakening. Another example is oil. Countries that export oil like Canada are affected by oil prices. So when oil prices rise, the Canadian dollar often strengthens. Okay? Now, stock markets also play a role. When global stock markets are doing well, traders are more willing to take risks, and this can strengthen certain currencies. But during uncertainty, traders move to safe haven currencies like the US dollar or Japanese yen. So instead of looking at just one chart, intermarket analysis helps you to see the bigger picture. The key takeaway is this: markets are connected. All right? Markets are actually connected. By understanding these connections, you can make more informed trading decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.